Tell us a bit about your professional background and your expertise.
Um, so I currently head an organization called the Advertising Standards Council of India, which is the advertising regulator, the self-regulator for the Indian advertising industry. My background is that I've had a long career in the marketing space, working with brands, creating new brands, looking for brand opportunities, and now I'm doing a slightly different, facet of the industry, which is the regulation part of it.
Perfect. And when it comes to the regulations, how do you decide with the regulations? Because this is like a very vast industry. How do you break it down?
So for us, of course, we focus on advertising regulation, and ASCI as a body is almost 40 years now. So there is a long history of work that has been done in the past. Of course, it started out in a certain way and it evolves over time. And I think you're right that today the world of advertising is evolving so rapidly that there is a real need to keep up with the new developments in this space. uh, we work very collaboratively with people who are experts in the different domains. So whether it's experts in the influencing space or in the UI/UX space or in the AI space, etc., to kind of keep ourselves abreast of what's happening and then also work with them should there be a need for regulations.
Absolutely. It's a lot of work that needs to go in. All right. And what do you think about the biggest trends in the influencer marketing, like ad tech or martech right now?
Sorry, what are the biggest?
Biggest trends in influencing marketing in ad tech, martech.
So, I would say that there is a real kind of consolidation that's happening. Of course, we are seeing a lot of vernacular, we are seeing a lot of micro influencers take center stage because I think as influencers are becoming bigger, they are becoming more like traditional advertising, and that is something that is then not unique to them anymore. So we are definitely seeing a lot of interest in vernacular and in micro influencers who are perhaps more the change that advertising wants to add, and the new layer that it wants to add to their campaigns.
Any big brands that you want to name?
No, I don't think, I doubt if there's a single brand today that's not really working with influencers in some way. So I think, of course, brands that started early, particularly in the personal care space, in the fintech space, for example, are well established. But I would say that, now influencer campaigns are an integral part of any brand marketing effort, whether the brand be big or small.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. Just another question, and just wanted to understand, like, how do you see the landscape of influencer marketing evolving in the next 5 years? Where do you see that this is going to go?
I think 5 years is a long time to really talk about this in an industry which is, I think, evolving every day and every quarter. Um, I think influencers, those who bring in their originality, will really um, last the longest, and that will be a good trend to see.
And this is the momentum that needs to go on. You cannot stop anywhere. Like, once you're an influencer, you're out there with the public, you're there. You have to be a public figure, I guess. And it's not
Absolutely.
easy for everybody to cope up with that kind of situation, I would say. All right. And just one last question. And how do you believe this event will benefit the attendees? And what are the most looking forward to?
Yeah, I think conversations around this area are important because as we've been speaking, it is so fast evolving. It is changing every day. I think technology and platforms are evolving as well in terms of their algorithms. I think AI will be another big influence. We are already seeing virtual influencers come in. How influencers themselves will leverage technology and AI to connect better, to create better content. So I think it's really in a state of flux with so many variables constantly changing and evolving. And I think, as you said yourself, that you have to be kind of in the space 24/7 to keep track of it and to stay ahead of your stay ahead in the game.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much. Any inputs from you about anything that we could make a change probably later of the day? You can give us a feedback and how we can improvise it for next year for our fourth edition, probably in India. That will be really helpful. Thank you so much.
Okay,
All
thank
right.
you.